Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Dogecoin in Trust Wallet. First, download and install the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Make sure to set up your wallet securely and back up your recovery phrase. You'll need to fund your wallet with a compatible cryptocurrency, such as BNB or Ethereum, to proceed with the purchase. This initial step is crucial for a smooth transaction process. Next, open your Trust Wallet and find the D-App browser. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. You'll then navigate to a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap, which supports Dogecoin. Once on the exchange, connect your Trust Wallet to authorize transactions. This connection is essential for trading. Now, within the decentralized exchange, select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap for Dogecoin. Input the exact amount you want to exchange, keeping in mind any network or gas fees. Review all the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Finally, confirm and approve the swap, and your Dogecoin will be transferred to your Trust Wallet shortly. After the swap is complete, go back to the main screen of your Trust Wallet. You should now see Dogecoin listed among your assets, confirming your successful purchase. You can now hold your Dogecoin, send it to another wallet, or receive more. Congratulations, you've successfully acquired Dogecoin using Trust Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.